With technological advancements, screenshots have become an integral part of our digital lives. Mac offers some of the most convenient and versatile screenshot options among various devices. Capturing the entire screen. Press Command plus Shift plus 3, all at the same time. Here, you'll notice a brief flash on your screen, indicating that the screenshot has been taken. The screenshot is automatically saved on your desktop. If you want to take a screenshot of a specific window or menu on a MacBook, press Command plus Shift plus 4 and then press the spacebar. The cursor will transform into a camera icon. Move this camera over the window or menu you want to capture. The targeted window or menu will be highlighted. Click your mouse or trackpad to take the screenshot. The screenshot is automatically saved on your desktop. To capture a specific portion of your Mac, press Command plus Shift plus 4. The cursor will change into a crosshair. Drag this crosshair across the screen to select the area you want to capture. Release your mouse or trackpad to take the screenshot. The screenshot is automatically saved on your desktop. For more advanced screenshot options, you can use the Screenshot app. Press Command plus Shift plus 5 to open the Screenshot app. A panel with various screenshots and screen recording options will appear at the bottom of your screen. Select the type of screenshot you want to capture or choose to record your screen. Click Options to select where you want to save your screenshot, set a timer delay, or include the mouse pointer. Click on Capture or Record to take the screenshot or start the screen recording. The screenshot or screen recording is saved to the location you specified. Since Safari itself doesn't offer a direct screenshot for the full web page, here's what you can do. Open the web page you want it to capture in Safari. Click the File menu in the Safari toolbar. Select the option Export as PDF. A Save As window will appear. Choose a name and location for your screenshot, PDF. Hit Save. This will create a PDF file containing the entire web page content. If you're equipped with a MacBook Pro featuring a touch bar, you have the added option to take a screenshot of your touch bar display. To do this, long press Command plus Shift plus 6. The screenshot will be available on your desktop. macOS also allows you to annotate your screenshots immediately after capturing them. When you take a screenshot using the Screenshot app or keyboard shortcuts, a thumbnail of the screenshot will appear in the corner of your screen. Click on this thumbnail to open the screenshot in a markup preview window, where you can annotate the screenshot using various markup tools. You can add text, shapes, sketches, or even a signature to your screenshot. In addition to screenshots, you can also record videos of your screen on your Mac using the Screenshot app. This can be specifically useful for creating tutorials, demonstrating a process, or recording a problem for troubleshooting purposes. Modify the default save location for a specific screenshot. After pressing Shift plus Command plus 4 to capture a desired portion of the screen, press and hold the Control key while selecting an area. You'll see an option to save to clipboard. This way, the screenshot won't be saved as a file, but you can paste it into an application like Preview or an image editor. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.